Hi everyone, welcome back to Guide Central. Today we're tackling an important topic on how to withdraw a large amount of money from Discover Bank account. Whether you're planning a big purchase or need cash for an emergency, I'll guide you through the steps to make this process smooth and stress-free. So let's get started. Discover Bank primarily operates online, so withdrawing large amount of money may require some planning. So here's what you need to know. Daily ATM withdrawal limits usually range between $500 to $1,000. For amounts exceeding these limits, you'll need to use alternative methods like wire transfers, check, or requesting a larger withdrawal directly from the customer service. So here are the most common ways to withdraw a large amount of money from Discover Bank. First would be wire transfer. So to do that, log into your Discover Bank account, select the wire transfer option, enter the recipient's bank details, the amount, and confirm the transfer. Keep in mind that wire transfers might have fees, so check the details beforehand. Second option would be bank-to-bank transfers. Transfer the desired amount to another bank account where you can easily cash in larger sums. This method easily access cash in larger sums. This method may take a couple of business days, so plan ahead. Your third option would be to request a cashier's check. Log into your account and request a cashier's check, which can be mailed to your address. You can cash this check at a local bank or financial institution. And the last option that you have is to contact customer service. Call Discover Bank's customer service, explain your need for a large withdrawal, and they'll guide you through options such as a temporarily increasing your ATM withdrawal limit or arranging for a secure money transfer. Before making a large withdrawal, remember these steps. First and foremost, plan ahead. Second would be to check fees. Third would be to set security first and know your limits. And there you have it. With a bit of planning, withdrawing a large amount from your Discover Bank account is manageable and secure. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.